Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different because there is a room in our house that we have desperately needed to upgrade for years. Years upon years upon years. We've been in this house over 10 years, and for some reason, I wanted aqua walls when I was 22 years old and moved into this house. And it's atrocious. And this room is just in need of better vibes and just an overall makeover. So that is what today's video is going to be about. I have a vision that I'm hoping will come true, and you'll see how it comes to be throughout this video. But it is early and I really want to get this room done in the next day, 2 days tops. And I feel like that is pushing it, but I also feel like we can do it if we work together. So the goal today is to paint and get a dresser. So let's get this day started. We're heading to At Home, and our goal is to get a dresser that's reasonably priced, not too over the top expensive, but that is really the main thing we need to get so that we can put the shelves at a good height compared to the dresser. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and hope that we can get a dresser that I love, that's at a good price and is wide enough to go into the closet. It was a fail. They have nothing. So now I think we're going to actually try and make it through IKEA, even though it's always an effing nightmare every time you go there. But we are committed. I'm gonna get a dresser today. I'm putting out positive vibes, right?
You are gonna get a dresser today. I'm not that concerned about it.
I'm getting a dresser today. already so busy in here. Oh.
Write that down after it takes one off.
I really like this one. It'll fit perfectly in there, but we're still gonna keep looking.
I mean, we'll fit in that perfectly.
Yeah. Like quick in and out. Let's go. Let's get this dresser. They have at least one of our parts in stock. I think we might be getting a dresser today, but I'm not gonna jinx myself because I know how my luck goes. Cool. Bottom in and it won't fit because it gets more narrow the closer to the wall it goes. It's not a perfect square. So now we're gonna see if taking the baseboard out helps. Let's hope that it does. Good news, after he got the baseboards out, it does fit. This isn't attached yet. We just wanted to sit it in there. So now we're gonna do the two sides and start building it up, but I think we're gonna have to get the bottom attached first. What'd you say? Get the bottom attached first?
Yeah, we need to get the bottom in and then we'll build out the top.
All right, let's do this. So we have to get a dinner at my mom's. We have to stop what we're doing for today. Tomorrow we'll end up putting the shelves up and finishing this. It might not be completely 100% done, but for what I wanted, I will be completely happy. And this took like 3 hours to put together. IKEA is a bitch. Chris says buy assembled furniture. So We will see you tomorrow. Okay, just kidding. We just got back from my mom's house from dinner, and Chris wanted to hang the light, and now he also wants to hang the shelf. So this is what it looks like with the light on. And I want you guys to know all this over here is going to be taken down, and then I think that picture frame is, or that picture is going to be taken down, but all this is going to be painted. This whole room is actually going to get painted this color. We're just starting with this, so that's why there's two different colors on the walls. So that'll be a project for another time, obviously, but this is what we wanted to start with to begin the project. And now it's time to hang the shelves. So I think this is where we're going to end this evening. It is 10:15 and we are exhausted. So we will finish this tomorrow, but not bad for a day's work, baby. Not bad.